Stay tuned because I'm about to show you something you did not know you could do with normal post-it notes. Now this here is literally a stack of post-it notes I got from Target. The only thing I did to them is instead of having separate packs, I connected them into one big clump. And now look what they can do. Boom. Why can they do this, you might ask? Good question. That is because they are the kind of post-it note that you'd put in a holder so that you can pull them out one by one. And so unlike normal post-it notes where all of the sticky is on one side and all of the non-sticky is on one side, like this, the sticky and non-sticky sides alternate between papers, allowing for a fun, slinky-like motion. You can also do this. You literally don't touch it, and it will move. You can do it from the side. And that won't change. Thanks for watching.